welcome to episode 10. Today I'm showing how to make Laab Gai. So I'm going to show you the main ingredients. It's the chopped breast chickens, and this is the main ingredient that I have: chopped shallot, chopped lemongrass, mixed coriander and spring onion, chopped very fine.
Minced, not chopped.
Minced.
Yeah.
It's minced chickens, chili powder, crushed roasted rice. So the rice that you roast it first for about a few minutes on the cooker, or you just roast it and then mince it, and then lamb's juice. So let's see how we cook that. First of all, we just put some cooking oil, just a tiny bit of cooking oil, maybe 1 tablespoon. We have the chopped coriander, chopped lemongrass, and shallot for a few seconds until it's golden brown. Then we add the minced chicken. Tiny bit of the chicken stock. Just stir fry them until they are cooked. That just make sure that you cook chicken properly. Then add the 1 teaspoon of the chili powder, 1 tablespoon of crushed rice. Just turn off the your cooking now. Then you can add 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Nice and easy. And we add the chopped coriander and the spring onion. That will be ready for the Laab Gai, or you can call warm chicken salad, minced chicken salad. Then we put it in our serving with the fresh vegetables, mint and salad, and so and it will be ready to serve. spicy chicken salad. And thank you for watching.